Alright, this is a Sentra B14 1996 with the Vq35 swap kit. Illustrating here is the left side, the driver's side bracket that I made, and on that you'll mount a GA16 mount insert, which is this body here. Press the factory insert out, put a polyurethane in, and it's a done job after that. I will include in the kit that spacer you're seeing in the back right here, which is pretty simple. Once you get it, I'll provide instructions and you'll see what and how easy it is. In the back, you'll mount the back mount that I made, which there you're seeing it right now in the illustration in the video, and it mounts into your factory location on the cross member, meaning it mounts to your factory mount. You just bolt it to the engine, drop the engine in, and it mounts right to the factory mount. The same stock cross member is retained, no modifications needed, no adjustments needed. It just mounts right there just the same. This is what the firewall clearance looks like. It does retain the use of power steering. That's a clearance up front. Hood clearance is not an issue either. This is the passenger side. And I made this one so that you'll retain the use of your SR20 factory mount. That's the power steering pump in the back there. Alright, there you have it. Thank you very much.